Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials, sign into itch, EO and enable two-factor to secure uploads. Install Butler by downloading the appropriate binary for your OS and move it into a folder on your path so commands run anywhere. Make sure your game folder contains the final build and a simple manifest or index file. This helps Butler know what to upload. Once done, open a terminal in that folder and run a quick version check to confirm Butler responds before you continue. You will authenticate Butler using your itch. EO API key, run Butler login and paste the key when prompted. Next, configure an upload channel by naming it user/game channel. This organizes builds by platform or release stage. Use Butler push with a small test file first or run dry run to preview what will change. This prevents accidental overwrites. Make sure to include platform-specific flags and a clear channel naming convention, so future pushes are predictable and easy to revert if necessary. You push the actual build with Butler push directory user/game, channel and watch the output for success messages. Once uploaded, verify on itch. EO, open your project page, inspect the builds list, and do a download test to confirm the correct files and metadata reach the server. If anything fails, check your API key status, file path typos, executable permissions, and run Butler with verbose logging to see errors. Make sure to increment channel versions and rerun the push after fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.